Hello children, how are you? Hope so you're well and staying at home. Class 8 children, again I'm back with a new video children. For here today I will going to teach you the continuation part of Human Resources chapter 8. Children, before starting my video, every day I'm telling you, hope so you're well and staying at home. Please stay at home, stay sanitized, stay well, stay healthy. Okay, now the seasons, festival seasons are there, festive seasons, as well as there is a lots of marriages, so please go avoid the gathering and all. Okay, let's will start our class. uh, Today we will going to teach through today's video learning objective will be areas of high population density. Children, I think I have told you in the class that up to population density I have told. Population density means per square kilometer area how many people are living. Okay. Population density state to state basis it is varies, as well as country to country basis it is varies. Population density as is high, very much high in China as well as India also, because there the number of populations are very much high. But it's very big countries are there still present in our earth that they don't have sufficient amount of population density. Okay, so here in this video we will going to learn this high amount of population. Okay, wherever we have the density of population is very high among the fertile river valleys, industrial regions of the world. The major cities of the world are also densely populated. There are four main pockets of high population density in the world. Pockets means these are the parts. Okay, pockets means we have to get the very high population density over there. First of all will be the Eastern Asia. China, Japan, Korea, Philippines together account for nearly 25% of the world's total population. Why there is a very much high population children? There are some reasons are responsible. What are the reasons are responsible? Because these people, we know that they are highly skilled, technically skilled, as well as the fertile soil of the river basins, abundant rainfall, support of agriculture, which is the main occupation of the people here. Agricultural productions are very much high, so which is providing the people to food, and they can also choose their occupations over here, right? In China, the population is concentrated along the banks of the Yangtze Kiang and Huanghe River. The industrial regions of Japan and China also centers of high population density. These are the reason. First reason will be the population density. Just behind it, what is the reason? That will be of agricultural land, very fertile land. Second will be what? The river valleys, very well cultivated, just fertile river valleys. And third will be the industrial regions. Next will be South Asia. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Indonesia together accounts for 25% of the total world's population. Within these countries, two, the density population is unevenly distributed. Here also population density unevenly distributed means it is not even in all over the countries, right? Then density is very high the parts of the Indo-Gangetic plain. Definitely it's a plain land, agriculturally fertile, industrial regions are there, everything, all the suitable factors are present over here. And the banks of the Irrawaddy river in Myanmar, this is also definitely a very fertile region. The climatic conditions and fertile soil promote the agricultural throughout the year. If the agricultural process will go on throughout the year, so definitely there will be automatically people will be concentrated over there. Next, Western Europe children. Parts of UK, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Western Russia and Ukraine are some parts of places where are densely populated places are there. Around 16% of the world's total population they will hold on. Okay. The main reasons for highly density population over here, the availability of mineral resources and needed for a rapid industrial development. Here, for these cases, Western Europe, wherever the development, why the population density is high? Because the main reason will be very much nicely they are getting the mineral resources. Second thing will be what? Mineral resources are very much high, and also it is also the rapid industrial development. If minerals will be very much nicely available, so definitely there will be industrial development will be there. If industries will be there, people will be automatically concentrated for occupation purposes, for their job purposes, right? And they are just choosing their settlement over there. Next will be northeastern and southwestern coast of North America. Availability of mineral resources, first point. Second will be industrial development. Third, an equitable climate and an excellent transport network. These are the four reasons, children. If it has been asked you that why this portion of the earth is very much highly populated, you have to mention it, whatever the points. Excellent transport network are the major reasons for the highly density of the population over here. Okay, within these regions, cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Karachi, Dhaka, Jakarta, London, Paris, Rome, Moscow, New York have extremely high densities of population. It means that these are the cities just holding very much high population density. Acha. Now we will learn about areas of moderate population density. Okay, it is a moderate means here 25%, 25%, 16% already over. Okay, so now we will read about the whatever the medium amount. There are regions found between the densely populated region and sparsely populated region. This is the region, this is the definition. Not very high, not very low, the populations will be there. These regions are agriculturally developed and semi-urban in nature. Semi-urban means city side, countryside. We are telling now countryside, wherever we are going for the little villages side, fringe areas. Whenever cities are finishing and villages are starting, these are called the fringe areas. Okay. Industries have been begun to develop here. The coastal parts of Africa, Europe, Asia surrounded the Mediterranean Sea, central parts of USA, tropical regions, West Africa, temperate regions, Russia, Eastern Europe, Deccan Plateau region also, South India, parts of Pakistan, Iraq, Iran, central China. Coastal parts of the South America have moderate density of population, because here also India has been mentioned, that southern plateau, because that is also full of mineral reservoirs, and so many big industries are going to be are already established, and there are so many new are also going to be started, right? Now we will learn about the low population density areas. Areas of low population density are found where the physical environment and climatic conditions are inhospitable. Children, inhospitable means what? Inhospitable means if there is very much harsh population, like Himalayan type of mountain ranges are there, rough terrain means no flat surface will be there, extreme hot or extreme cold climate, dense forests are there like Amazon. So these are the environment which is very harsh, inhospitable. Okay, like the hot and cold deserts, high mountainous stresses, etc. Such conditions are not favorable for human settlement. Deserts like Sahara, Kalahari, Arabian Desert, Gobi, Atacama, Great Australian Deserts are sparsely populated. These are the places are very low populations are there. As it is with, I want to mention that Indian third desert also, it is included like this. Next, the northern part of Russia, Norway, North America and the whole Greenland are sparsely populated because of the very cold. Because they had experiences what? Conditions of extreme cold, and the land stays frozen in the most of the part of the year. 9 months around they have winter. Okay. The higher reaches of the Himalayas, the Andes, the Rockies, Alps, low population densities are also visible. So do the thick equatorial forest, Amazon I have already mentioned, Congo Basin where the living conditions are not at all possible. Only few type of very little people are living, only the tribal people. Okay children, today up to here children. Next day we will continue the factors distribution of the population. Till then, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Bye children.